Hello, dear children, good morning. I'm going to continue with the lesson today, and the name of the lesson is our third lesson, the most important day. We have completed that Helen liked Miss Sully. We have completed till Helen parents thought that they should find a teacher to her, and they appointed a teacher to Helen, and the teacher name is Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, and she agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. So here she started teaching. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. DOLL, doll, spells doll. Miss Sullivan spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. So Sullivan made all the letters with special hand signs because here Helen could not see and could not hear. That's why Helen copied her teacher and spelled DOLL too. So Helen learned what her teacher said and she spelled doll too. But she did not understand what she was doing. She did not know that she was spelling a word or even that words existed. But Helen spelled the word, but she did not understand what she was doing. She did not know the name, the word, what the doll mean. And she was spelling a word or even that words existed. She don't know whether whatever the words she was spelling, that words were existed. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. In the days that followed, Helen learned to spell. In this way, a great many words, among them were pin, hat, cup, and a few words like sit, stand, and walk. But her teacher had been with her several weeks before she understood that everything had a name. So here, Helen liked Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan was strict, but she is kind-hearted. In the days that followed, when days are going, Helen learned to spell. Many words like pin, hat, cup, and a few verbs like sit, stand, and walk. But her teacher had been with her several weeks. But Sullivan is with Helen for several weeks before she understood that everything had a name. One day, her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. So, one day, Sullivan asked Helen to put her hand into running water. Then, she spelled water, 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 suddenly. Then, Helen spelled water. Suddenly, Helen understood that water means something wet. So, now Helen came to know water means something wet, not dry. Running over her hand, she understood that words were the most important things in the world. By this, Helen came to understand that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. So she came to realize that words can tell everything that she wanted to know. Helen learned 30 words that day. The day itself, Helen learned 30 words. Mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. So some of the words among them were mother, father, sister, teacher, like this. Words that were to make the world blossom for her. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day. So, on that day, the most happiest child in the world was Helen. She thought about the joys it had brought her and for the first time longed for a new day to come. So, she thought that her mind was filled with full of joys for the first time, longed for a new day to come. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. So Within these 6 short months, Helen came to learn 625 words. By the time she was 16, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. Now, Helen is 16 years old. Now, she could speak well enough to go to college. So, she is ready to go to college because she can speak now. Helen Keller, the little girl, became one of history's most famous women. So, Helen Keller, this little girl, became one of history's most famous women. She traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. So, she traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25. She traveled more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. Wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. She defeated her blindness and deaf, right? So wherever she go with her speech, she brought new courage to millions of people. So this is all about the chapter The Most Important Day, written by Helen Keller. Children, all of you go through this once. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me. Bye children. Thank you.